Hello, I am Priyanka Chopra, and I am thrilled to share with you today about my journey and my family. My father's service and my mother's loving presence have guided and inspired me every step of the way. Thank you. Title: Roots and Wings, My Journey Through Family and Fame. Chapter 1, Origins. In the quiet town of Jamshedpur, nestled in the eastern part of India, my story began. It was a place where the rhythms of life matched the beats of the Tata Steel factory, where the air was thick with ambition and dreams were woven into the fabric of everyday existence. Here, in this bustling industrial hub, my parents laid the foundation of our family. My father, Ashok Chopra, was not just a man of medicine but also a soldier, a proud member of the Indian Army whose discipline and dedication shaped our upbringing. My earliest memories are painted with images of his uniform, the medals that adorned his chest, and the unwavering sense of duty that permeated our home. He was a man of few words, but his actions spoke volumes, instilling in me a deep respect for commitment and service to others. My mother, Madhu Chopra, was the heart of our household, a former gynecologist who traded her stethoscope for the joys of motherhood. She brought warmth and wisdom into our lives. Her laughter was infectious, her hugs reassuring, and her culinary skills legendary among our friends and family. She taught me the importance of compassion, the power of resilience, and the art of balancing tradition with modernity. Chapter 2, The Tapestry of Tradition. Growing up in a military family meant that our lives were marked by constant movement. From the serene cantonments of Bareilly to the bustling streets of Delhi, each new posting brought with it a fresh canvas on which we painted memories. Chapter 3, Dreams Take Flight. As I grew older, my dreams began to take flight, fueled by the unwavering support of my family. From the dusty corridors of my school in Bareilly to the sprawling sets of Bollywood, each step forward was a testament to their belief in my potential. My parents, with their quiet strength and boundless love, stood by me through every audition, every rejection, and every triumph. It was their guidance that led me to the Miss India pageant, a gateway to a world beyond my imagination. The lights of the stage dazzled me. The cheers of the crowd emboldened me, and when I was crowned Miss World 2000, it was not just my victory but a testament to the values instilled in me by my parents, a commitment to excellence, a respect for diversity, and a belief in the power of dreams. Chapter 4, Beyond Borders. With the world at my feet and Bollywood beckoning, I embarked on a journey that would transcend borders and redefine my identity. From the silver screens of Mumbai to the skyscrapers of New York, I embraced every opportunity with open arms, determined to carve a niche for myself in an industry known for its complexities and contradictions. But amidst the glitz and glamour, I never forgot my roots. My rare heritage remained a source of strength and inspiration, shaping not just my career but also my worldview. It was this rich tapestry of culture and tradition that gave me the courage to venture into uncharted territories, whether it was starring in Hollywood films or releasing music albums that bridged continents. Chapter 5, Love and Legacy. And then, amidst the whirlwind of fame and fortune, love found me in the most unexpected of places. Nick Jonas, a man whose passion for music matched my own, swept me off my feet and into a whirlwind romance that captured the hearts of millions. As I look back on my journey, from the streets of Jamshedpur to the stages of Hollywood, I am reminded of the values that have guided me every step of the way. Family, with its bonds of love and legacy, remains my anchor in a sea of change. It is their unwavering support that has fueled my dreams and shaped my destiny, giving me the courage to reach for the stars while staying grounded in the values that define who I am. Epilogue, a new chapter. As I stand on the threshold of a new chapter in my life, I carry with me the lessons learned and the memories cherished. My journey, like a tapestry woven with threads of love and laughter, tradition and transformation, is a testament to the power of dreams and the resilience of the human spirit. To the people of Odisha, whose culture and traditions have shaped my identity, I owe a debt of gratitude. You have embraced me as one of your own, celebrating my successes and standing by me through the challenges. As I continue to explore new horizons and push the boundaries of possibility, know that I carry your spirit with me, a reminder of where I come from and the values that guide me forward. For in the end, it is not just about the fame or the fortune, but about the legacy we leave behind and the lives we touch along the way. And so, with gratitude in my heart and hope in my soul, I look ahead to the future, ready to write the next chapter of my story, a story that began in Jamshedpur, but knows no limits. Chapter 6: Embracing Challenges. Life has a way of presenting challenges that test our resolve and redefine our paths. For me, one of the most significant challenges came in the form of navigating the unfamiliar waters of Hollywood. It was a world where perceptions and opportunities were different, where success was measured not just by talent but also by perseverance and adaptability. Leaving behind the familiarity of Bollywood, I ventured into uncharted territory with determination and a hunger to prove myself. Auditions became my battleground, each rejection a lesson in resilience, and every role secured a testament to my evolving skills as an actress. The journey was not without its setbacks, but with the unwavering support of my family and the strength drawn from my cultural roots, I persevered. In 2015, I landed the role of Alex Parrish in the American television series Quantico, a milestone that marked my entry into mainstream Hollywood. Playing a strong, complex character challenged me in ways I had never imagined. It was a role that demanded both physical prowess and emotional depth, pushing me to explore new dimensions of my craft. As the series gained popularity, I found myself balancing between continents, shuttling between Mumbai and New York, embracing the best of both worlds. My success in Hollywood not only opened doors for me but also paved the way for other South Asian actors to break through barriers and challenge stereotypes on a global stage. Chapter 7: Building Bridges. Beyond the glitz and glamour of Hollywood, I have always been passionate about using my platform to champion causes close to my heart. From advocating for gender equality and education to supporting initiatives for children's welfare, I have strived to make a meaningful impact both in India and around the world. My involvement with UNICEF, as a global goodwill ambassador, has allowed me to shine a spotlight on issues affecting children, particularly in marginalized communities. Whether visiting schools in rural India or speaking at international forums, I have sought to amplify voices that often go unheard, advocating for the rights and aspirations of every child. Closer to home, I have embraced the role of a producer, founding Purple Pebble Pictures to promote regional cinema and provide a platform for emerging talent. Through our productions, we have celebrated the cultural diversity of India, telling stories that resonate with audiences across languages and borders. In 2019, I ventured into the realm of literature with my memoir Unfinished, a deeply personal reflection on my journey from a small-town girl with big dreams to a global icon. Writing this book was a cathartic experience, allowing me to revisit moments of triumph and vulnerability, and to share insights gained along the way. Chapter 8: Family Ties. Through it all, my family has remained my anchor, a source of unconditional love and unwavering support. Whether celebrating milestones or weathering storms, their presence in my life has been a constant reminder of what truly matters. My husband, Nick, has been my pillar of strength, standing by me through the highs and lows of my career, and embracing my culture with a warmth that fills my heart. As I look ahead, I am filled with gratitude for the opportunities I have been blessed with and a renewed sense of purpose to continue pushing boundaries and breaking barriers. My journey, shaped by the values instilled in me by my family and enriched by my rare heritage, is a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and the enduring spirit of possibility. With every role I take on, every project I pursue, and every cause I champion, I strive to make a difference, to inspire others to dream big, defy expectations, and embrace their true selves. For me, success is not just about accolades or box office numbers but about leaving a legacy that inspires future generations to reach for the stars and never lose sight of their roots. As I pen these words, I am reminded of the young girl from Jamshedpur who dared to dream beyond the confines of her small town, guided by the love of her family and the richness of her culture. This journey, with its twists and turns, its triumphs and challenges, continues to unfold, a testament to the power of dreams and the resilience of the human spirit. Epilogue: a journey unfinished. My story is one of evolution, of embracing change and embracing challenges, of building bridges and breaking barriers. It is a journey that began in Jamshedpur, where the echoes of childhood laughter still linger, and continues to unfold with each new chapter. To the people of Odisha, who have embraced me as one of their own, I extend my deepest gratitude. Your support and love have been a source of strength throughout my journey, inspiring me to reach new heights and forge new paths. As I embark on the next chapter of my life, I carry with me the lessons learned, the memories cherished, and the dreams yet to be realized, for in the end, it is not the destination that defines us but the journey of a small-town girl who dared to dream big, guided by the love of her family and the spirit of her culture. And so, with gratitude in my heart and determination in my soul, I look ahead to the future, ready to write the next chapter of my story, a story that began in Jamshedpur, was enriched by Odisha, and knows no limits.